Hello, my preschool friends. Welcome to this video demonstration where I'll be talking about how to make our project under the concept of force in motion. This demonstration I'm about to start with you is talking about the project which is balloon car. Have you been applying those forces to make motions? Now you see a practical demonstration on how we use force to make motion. We'll be starting with our balloon car. What I have here is a balloon car. I'll apply a force to it and it will move. Let's begin to make our project, the balloon car. At the end of this video you're about to watch, you should be able to know what force is all about. You should be able to know how air pressure moves in a balloon. You should also be able to know how exchange of energy takes place in this balloon car. Finally, you should be able to make a wonderful model of a balloon-powered car. Before I go on again, just as we normally do, in STEAM Club, you have to learn some words. And what are the words to learn under this project balloon-powered car? These words include pad, escape, energy. I hope you are repeating them after me. Exchange, elastic, force, pressure, motion. All right, let's proceed now. What do you think a balloon-powered car is? As you heard the name balloon-powered car, what came to your mind? Yes, you thought right. A car, right? Yes. However, it is a car that is driven by the air in a balloon. Don't forget that the balloon-powered car is the car that is driven by air in the balloon. The idea behind this balloon-powered car is pretty simple, but that does not make it any less impressive. A balloon car is an air-powered car. That is, the car is pushed forward by nothing but air escaping from a balloon. Do you know how the balloon car works? When you inflate your balloon, set your race car, that is the balloon car, you set it down and let it go. The escaping air from the balloon rushes out of the stroke. This is your car's driving force system. In the balloon-powered car, the action is the air rushing out from the stroke and pushing against the air behind the car. The reaction is the air behind the car pushing against the car with the same force, causing the forward movement of the car. Do you also know that there is an exchange of energy in moving the balloon car? A stored energy of the car is kept in the increasing elastic material of the balloon. The balloon you have here is an elastic material. As the balloon is filled with air, it adds more stored energy. As the air flows from the balloon, the energy changes from the stored energy to the energy of motion. The moving balloon car is using a moving energy. I repeat that again. The moving balloon car is using a moving energy. Upon release, the energy converts to kinetic or moving energy, and the car goes until there is not enough to move it anymore. And as you're seeing this balloon powered car, there are some parts of it that I want you to know. Just as in real life model of a car, there are body parts of the balloon powered car too. The straw, through which air is being inflated into the balloon, represents the starting car key, while the balloon itself, which supplies motion as air escapes, serves as the engine of the balloon car. The wheels in the balloon powered car are four. This, just as it is in the real car. And finally, when you couple these parts together, they form your balloon car. Now, are you ready to begin with me how to make the balloon car? I am ready to make mine. Get your materials ready. And what are the materials we'll be using to make our balloon powered car? All right, these materials include 4 wheels. These are the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels, just as we have it in a real car. Balloon. Soft straw. A wooden component. A glue. Tape. Scissors. And this actually gotten from bottle covers like this. This is how I got that out. And this is what I used for the wheels. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing first is to fix our wheels on the woody component like this. All right, take my glue now and get started. Fix the wheels or the wooden component at the center. Apply just little glue and fix at the center. Do the same for the back wheel. You let it dry. If you need an assistance, get an adult to help out. While we wait for this to dry up, we take these covers and fix on the wooden component like this. What does this look like? Is it getting the shape of a car already? Yes. So let's fix at the center too. You apply just little and you fix. I'll take the balloon and attach the balloon to the soft straw. Remember that it is the air we inflate into the balloon that allows our balloon-powered car to move. When we inflate the balloon and we release it down, the air that escapes from the balloon is what supplies the motion to the balloon car. So now you fix your soft straw into the balloon like this and you tape it down. You can get an adult to help you out. Don't tape it too tightly, and it shouldn't be too loose either. And I cut the remaining. Now that this is done, we attach the balloon with the straw to this car system here, like this. Get my glue again. Neatly place this and we allow it to dry. Okay. Now, after some few minutes, the balloon car is dried up, and this is the end result of our project. So now, let's see our balloon-powered car in action. Are you ready? Here is my own. And how do we power it? How do we make it to move? Okay, allow air into the balloon using the soft straw. Let your hair pass through the soft straw into the balloon like this. Okay, now that I've done this, I'll clip the mouth of the soft straw so that the air will not escape just yet. I'll only release my fingers when I want it to run or to start moving. Are you ready? Do you want to see this in action? All right, by the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Do you now see it as a source of motion to a balloon car rather than just a fun toy? Make your own car that runs on air from a balloon and have a great fun with it, just as I'm having fun with my own. There are hundreds of things you can do on your balloon-powered car. Some of them are to create fun designs and colors on your car to really make it your own so that you don't mix it up with others. What if you use other types of wheels instead of bottle cap wheels? Test 8 different types of balloons. The bigger types of balloon, the smaller one, and other straws to find the real combination for the best speed of your car. So try out, make your own balloon car, figure out more ideas and fun ways to explore your balloon-powered car.